What if you never had to trade your time for money again? Imagine waking up, checking your bank account, and seeing money deposited while you slept. Sounds like a dream, right? But in 2025, it's more possible than ever. Here's the reality. The rich don't just work for money. They make money work for them. And if you're not building passive income, you're falling behind. Fast. Because in a world of rising costs and economic uncertainty, relying on a single paycheck, that's a financial death trap. Stick with me, because today, I'm breaking down 6 powerful passive income ideas that could change your financial future forever. And trust me, you'll want to stay till the end, because idea 6 is a game changer that barely anyone is talking about. Let's dive in. Number 1, high-yield dividend stocks. The lazy investor's dream. Dividend stocks are like planting a money tree. Invest once, and they keep paying you, quarter after quarter. Companies like Apple and Coca-Cola reward shareholders just for owning their stock. But here's the secret. Not all dividend stocks are created equal. The key is finding dividend aristocrats, companies that have consistently increased payouts for decades. And the best part? Reinvesting those dividends creates a compounding effect that turns small investments into a fortune over time. If you invest in high-yield dividend stocks and consistently reinvest those earnings, you can build a passive income stream that eventually covers your bills. Consider this. If you started investing $500 a month at an 8% return, in 20 years, you'd have over $300,000, generating thousands in annual passive income. The earlier you start, the more powerful the effect. Look, unless you enjoy watching your money collect dust in a savings account, earning 0.01% interest, this might be worth considering. And speaking of compounding income streams, number 2, digital products. Make it once, sell it forever. Imagine waking up to an email that says, "You just made $500 while sleeping." That's the power of digital products. E-books, online courses, printables. Once you create them, they sell on autopilot. And thanks to AI, tools like ChatGPT can help you create content faster than ever. Platforms like Gumroad, Udemy, and Etsy make it easy to start. And the best part? Unlike physical products, digital goods have zero inventory and 100% profit margins. One major key to success in digital products is automation. Setting up email marketing funnels, leveraging paid ads, and optimizing SEO can create an ecosystem where your product sells itself with minimal maintenance. Once you refine your system, the income becomes more predictable and scalable. Or, you could just keep binge watching Netflix while others get rich. Totally up to you. Speaking of high margins. Number 3, automated YouTube channel. Content that pays you for years. What if you could make money from videos without ever showing your face? Welcome to faceless YouTube channels. With AI voiceovers, stock footage, and smart scripting, you can create evergreen content that keeps earning it revenue long after you upload it. A single viral video can generate thousands per month through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. And here's the kicker. YouTube's algorithm loves long-form content, meaning you get paid more the longer people watch. The trick to sustaining and scaling a YouTube income is consistency. Publishing at least one high-quality video per week and leveraging trends within your niche can exponentially increase revenue. Moreover, once you build an audience, you can sell your own digital products or services, doubling down on passive income. But YouTube isn't the only platform paying out big. The next income stream is blowing up right now, fast. And you're still early. Number 4, affiliate marketing. Get paid for other people's products. Affiliate marketing is like earning commission without ever handling inventory or customer service. You recommend a product, someone buys it, and you get paid. Simple. Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and high-ticket affiliate programs can turn a simple product review blog or TikTok video into a cash machine. The real trick is creating trust and value through the content you produce. High-quality, in-depth reviews tend to outperform quick, surface-level promotions. And here's a golden tip. Recurring affiliate programs, like web hosting services, pay you month after month for a single sale. That's true passive income. And while affiliate marketing is powerful, this next idea is completely hands-off. Number 5, rental property. Real estate is how 90% of millionaires build wealth. But in 2025, you don't need to buy a mansion to make passive income. Platforms like Fundrise and Arrived Homes let you invest in rental properties with as little as $10. Long-term rental properties provide consistent cash flow, but short-term rentals, like Airbnb, can dramatically increase profits. Using rental arbitrage, where you lease a property long-term and list it short-term, you can make serious passive income without owning a single home. And now, we've reached the final and most underrated passive income idea. Number 6, licensing and royalties. Get paid for your creations. Ever heard a song on a YouTube video and thought, someone is getting paid every time this plays? That's licensing. If you create music, stock photos, or even AI-generated art, you can license them out and collect royalties for years. With AI tools revolutionizing content creation, you don't even need to be an expert to produce valuable assets. Whether it's AI-generated voiceovers, stock photography, or beats, you can create something once and keep earning indefinitely. 6 passive income streams, each has the potential to change your life. But here's the harsh truth. Knowing these ideas means nothing unless you take action. The wealthy don't wait. They build, they invest, they create systems that pay them for life. So the real question is, which of these income streams will you start today? Drop a comment below. And if you're serious about leveling up your finances, don't stop here. Check out my next video on personal finance for beginners, where I break down the exact steps to manage, invest, and multiply your money.